Want to save hours of time and work like a pro on Windows? Here are 5 shortcuts that will change your workflow forever. Shortcut 1, Windows plus D. Instantly minimize all open windows and go to the desktop. Shortcut 2, Windows plus Shift plus S. Taking a screenshot of any area on your screen. Shortcut 3, Control plus Shift plus T. Reopens the last closed tab in your browser. Shortcut 4, Windows plus L. Quickly lock your screen when stepping away. Shortcut 5, Alt plus Tab. Easily switch between open applications. Which shortcut you will try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more productivity tips.